morning. This is our backyard. Oh, look how high that is. That's a lot of snow. Out front it looks like the Antarctic ice wall on both sides of the road. It's still snowing. It's pretty. Why, Jill? What a pretty girl. But you don't want out, do you? It's too snowy. I think it's deeper than you are tall, honey. Yeah, it's deeper than you are tall. Oh, pretty Jilly. Lots of all that one feeder is all the way full. Wire feeder is full of snow. Wow. That's cool. Excuse the window, birds fly into it every once in a while. They are okay though, we always check. They get up. That's when the hawk's around or the fox. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but inside it's so delightful. And since I've nowhere to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Maybe.